Oily skin needs a different moisturizer that is formulated with special ingredients. This type of skin is blessed in the sebum department, but still oily skin can be dehydrated and needs essential moisture to get healthy glowing skin. Here we have rounded up the 5 best moisturizers that will take care of your oily skin with clear and smooth texture. Let's take a look at them.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer provides powder soft finish to the skin and keeps skin oil-free and shine-free all day long, and that's something that you always want for your oily skin. It is combined with the goodness of hyaluronic acid, mineral powder, and botanical extract that help to boost the skin's moisture content and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Instantly, it provides a matte finish with nourishing, calm skin tone. The oil control technology is made with niacinamide that effectively controls your sebum production plus minimizes the excess shine of your skin. It is a dermatologist-tested, non-comedogenic face moisturizer. This vegan product is formulated without oil, nuts, and gluten for your convenience. This oil control moisturizer has earned the trust of many users as it is great for oil control, shine, and helps to solve skin problems as well. Users also love it because it absorbs into the skin, quickly leaving the face fresh, smooth, and healthy. Besides that, a few users complained that it dried out the skin. Moving on to the ratings now. We were absolutely in love with the overall value and affordability of this moisturizer, so we're giving it 5 stars on those points. But in terms of user acceptance, it'll get 4 stars only. The SkinMedica Ultra Sheer Moisturizer is incredibly lightweight in nature, which moisturizes skin, and it's a crowd favorite product. The key ingredients of this moisturizer include tetrahexyl decyl ascorbate, tocopherol acetate, and hyaluronic acid. These 3 ingredients help to fight free radical scavenger and provide proper facial hydration. Plus, they help to improve the overall appearance of the skin. This lightweight moisturizer is also very appreciated for oily and combination skin tones. It is a non-comedogenic and non-oily moisturizer, plus it leaves your skin feeling supple and soft after just one application. According to user reviews, the SkinMedica Ultra Sheer Moisturizer is a must to keep your skin looking young. Users also appreciate it because of its sheer and lightweight texture. It also absorbs well on skin, although some users complain that it caused a lot of breakouts. It's time to rate the product now. The outcome and effective formula of this moisturizer impressed us, so we're giving it 5 stars on that. But the product is a little bit pricey, so it'll get 4 stars. If you're looking for the best anti-aging solution with proper moisturizing benefits, the Olay Regenerist Whip Face Moisturizer Original might be the right option for you. This face moisturizer is infused with the goodness of vitamin B3 and hyaluronic acid that helps to retain your skin's moisture and improve cell turnover. Moreover, it helps to regulate water retention, keeps your skin hydrated all day long. The amino peptide helps to achieve smoother and firmer skin tone quickly. It is featured with active Roche technology that transforms cream to liquid and provides essential potent ingredients. It is non-greasy in nature, so it won't feel sticky on your skin, plus a suitable option for oily to normal skin types. The lightweight texture has fast absorption quality and gives you a breathable feel. This face moisturizer has received plenty of positive reviews as the whipped factor makes the skin moisturizer very lightweight. It gets easily absorbed and also enhances skin, making it look much younger, although a few users were disappointed with the outcome. Let's rate the product now. The entire affordability and effectiveness delivered by the moisturizer really impressed us, so we're giving it 5 out of 5 stars in total. The La Roche-Posay Effaclar Matte Mattifying Moisturizer for Oily Skin is an anti-shine moisturizer which is appreciated for its gorgeous light matte finish. It targets excess oil that helps to refine your pores and also deliver mattified skin. This moisturizer is formulated with lipohydroxy acid, cellulose technology, and thermal spring water that helps to reduce shine with large pores. It also helps to moisturize oily skin with a smooth skin texture. This oil and paraben-free moisturizer provides excellent base for your daily makeup as well. It's a dermatologist and allergy-tested product, plus it is a suitable option for sensitive skin. The La Roche-Posay Effaclar Matte Mattifying Moisturizer for Oily Skin has pleasantly surprised its users as it provides silky smooth skin and great for large pores and doesn't stick at all. But as it goes, a few users complain that it doesn't work for them. Time to check out the ratings now. We were happy with the overall formula and after effect of the moisturizer, so it earns 5 stars on those points, but it falls a bit on the pricier side. It'll get 4 stars on that. The Cetaphil Pro Dreamcontrol Oil Absorbing Moisturizer is our best pick for today's video, which moisturizes your oily skin with 4-in-1 oil controlling formula. It helps to hydrate and protect your skin from harmful UV rays with broad-spectrum SPF 30. The micropearl technology effectively absorbs excess oil from your skin surface and gives your skin a beautiful matte finish. The oleosome technology contains lower concentration of sunscreen filters that help to hydrate your skin without irritation. The lightweight, non-greasy formula won't clog your pores as well. It's a dermatologist-tested, fragrance and paraben-free moisturizer, plus it absorbs on your skin quite quickly. The Cetaphil Pro Dreamcontrol Oil Absorbing Moisturizer is a highly recommended product on Amazon as it is the best moisturizer and sunscreen and also makes skin look less oily. But then again, some users complain that it causes breakouts. Let's rate this product now. We were absolutely happy with the overall formula and effectiveness, so giving it 5 stars in all 3 aspects. So that was all about the 5 best moisturizers to take care of your oily skin. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.